Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another review, and this hair company gave me so many nice things. That what I just showed you was a scarf. It's so fancy, it's so nice. And right now I'm going to show you the wig that I got. But first, I'm just going to show you the little accessories it came with. It came with an elastic band with instructions on how to attach your elastic band. It also came with the flesh tone wig cap. And I have another kinky straight wig. This one is very versatile because it's a full lace wig. There's a difference between a lace front wig and a full lace. This is actually a lace all over, so I can party anywhere I want to. I'm just showing you guys that I bleached the knots, and soon I'm going to be doing a very detailed how to properly bleach your knots, but just wait on it. I'm going to be doing a half up, half down style, and I'm just going to put some crimps in it. I didn't really know how it was going to look with the kinky straight hair with crimps, but I just was like, okay, let's just go for it. And stay tuned if you want to see the finished results. They actually look really nice and so pretty. This wig has clips inside of it as well as an elastic strap. So with the back, I just literally just tucked the pins underneath my hair and pulled the elastic straps tight. It's really not that hard to do, but soon, like I said, I'm going to go into detail on how to install a full lace wig properly as well. How to do the back, how to make it look natural, etc., etc. But for now, we're just going to focus on this style. And since I'm wearing it the way I am, I don't really need to make the back look natural. If you don't know by now, or if you're new here, you can purchase these head wraps at hairbyerickaJ.com. I'll also put the link down low in the description box. Styling process is pretty much complete, and now I'm just going to take my nails, since they're long, I'm just going to take my nails and lightly open up the crimps. This was my first time trying this hair company. I honestly wouldn't recommend this to you guys. The only thing that I can say is that the lace is kind of ashy. It doesn't match my skin as much, but you can easily fix that with makeup or some lace tint. But thank you guys for tuning in, and see you on my next video.